I love this. What do you think, El?
It's just so-so.
What? What the hell is going on here?
Would you please lower your voice?
No, I won't. I want to know what is eating you.
I could say the same thing for you.
Well, I've simply been reacting to you.
We might as well face it. We've grown apart. It happens to the best of friends, and it's happened to us.
You're ridiculous.
I'm ridiculous.
We are not growing apart. You are falling apart.
I don't think I care to pursue this conversation.
You are nothing but a little witch. When your father died, he took the best of you with him. You tried to be an interesting person for a while. Look at you now. You've completely reverted to type. You are nothing but a small-minded, tight-ass little snob these days.
How would a pretentious little climber like you know that?
Experience.
Experience?
I know what's eating you.
Really? What's eating me?
Plain old-fashioned jealousy.
Jealousy? What am I jealous of? Your insane ambition? No. It must be your new money. No. It must be your marriage of convenience. That must be it.
My what?
Aren't you afraid you got him by default?
Well, maybe I am. But at least I belong to myself, which is more than I can say for you. I've done everything I set out to do. Remember? I've lived the life that you didn't have the courage for. So don't tell me you're not jealous. You're so jealous, you can hardly breathe.